In this Grasshopper tutorial, I want to show you how you can optimize a shell in Grasshopper based on an optimization method by Millipede plugin. So basically, I'm going to produce a surface, which is a parametric surface, and we'll talk about how we can define the form. So first, we will just change the form and see how the displacement changes. So we are going to optimize this surface based on the displacement and the maximum displacement of the solid. After defining and optimizing this with Galapagos, I'm going to explain how you can use a method to produce all the solutions. And as you can see here, we will change the surface and see the deflection and the weight of the surface. So basically this solid and this structure is going to be optimized based on displacement, but we can also change the model based on weight. So we can also use this model which has a small deflection but also has a small weight. So we will have two different goals. Minimum displacement with minimum weight, which I will explain how you can combine two of your objectives together to have a fitness function, a single fitness function, and define the optimized and the best solution for this structure.